Today again I will teach you the same topic, shapes. First of all, starting about the shapes, we will study about its sides, vertex, corners. Okay, see this diagram. In this diagram we have two sides. Can you see the sides? Two sides, corner, two corners are there, points, and the middle part is the face of the figure, face of the diagram. Okay, where the lines meet are called corners. Where the lines are meet are called corners or vertex. VERTICES, vertex. The straight lines forming a plane shape are called its sides. Yes, are called its sides. We have two sides in this diagram. They are forming a straight lines. Students, now we will study about the different shapes. First shape, circle. CIRCLE, circle. Now see the diagram of circle. A circle has no side and no vertex. It is not having any vertex, not having any side also. It is just simply a shape of round. Now let's see few examples. First is coin, full moon, pizza, football, candy, sun. So all these are the examples of circle. Next shape, square. SQUARE, square. This is the image of square. In this image you can see vertex and side has been mentioned, four sides and four vertices, and all sides of a square are of equal length. All the four sides are having equal length also. So example of square, dice, carom, red, window, ice cube, blackboard. So these are the example of square. Next shape, triangle. TRIANGLE. This is a triangle image. It has three corners and three sides. Vertices means three corners. So triangle is having three corners as well as three sides. Examples of triangle: birthday cake, sandwich, nachos, mountain, cheese, ice cream cone. So these are the examples of triangle. Next shape, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. This is the diagram of rectangle. In this rectangle there are four sides and four corners. Four sides and four corners. The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Yes, they are of equal length. All the opposite sides are equal to each other. Let's see the examples of rectangle: mobile phone, biscuit, TV, bag, note, chocolate. So these are the examples of rectangle. Now let's do some questions in maths classwork copy. So take out your maths copy. Name any two objects having a curved surface. So two objects we have to write having a curved surface. So first one is ball. BALL, ball. Second is apple. APPLE, apple. So we have two objects having a curved surface, apple and a ball. Name two objects by which you can trace a circle on a paper. First is compass. See, this is the image of compass. It comes in the geometry box. So COMPASS, compass. Next object, bangle. BANGLE, bangle. So we have two objects through which we can trace a circle on a paper. One is compass and second one is bangle. Next question, fill in the blanks. This also you have to do in your maths copy. First point, the dash sides of a rectangle are equal. So, sides of a rectangle are equal. Answer is opposite. Yes, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Second point, all the sides of a square are dash. So, they are asking about the sides of a square. So, sides of a square always equal. So, all the sides of a square are equal. Next point, third, a square and a rectangle have dash sides and dash corners. So, square and rectangle both are having the same sides and same corners. So, how many sides and corners? 4 sides and 4 corners. Fourth point, a dash has no sides and no corners. So which shape has no sides and no corners? Answer, circle. Next point, fifth, a triangle has dash corners. So triangle has 3 corners. Do page number 80, exercise 6.2. Do this work only in book. Now see the image, students, carefully. This is the image which is given in your book also. Exercise 6.2. Name the following shapes. One has been done for you. So these are the images of different articles, different objects are here. So you have to tell the which shape is it. So the first one has been done for you. This is the shape of button. So button comes in the shape of circle. So this is the circle. So let's see the second one. Second is Christmas tree. Christmas tree comes in under the shape of triangle. It comes under the shape of triangle. So like this you have to do this exercise only in the book.